Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python script to convert temperature value in Celsius to Fahrenheit. So first, I'm going to set the number of items in list. So this will be our list size. I will set it to 20. And then I'm going to create an empty list for temperature in Celsius. C underscore list. And now I'm going to create an empty list of temperature in Fahrenheit underscore list. And we are going to start our list using for I in range 1 to the list size plus 1. And our item or the value for Celsius are going to see item. This will be set to I multiply with 5. The first value will be 5, and then we are going to add to our Celsius list C underscore list dot append and here we are going to pass in our Celsius item the value of Celsius temperature or temperature in Celsius. Now I'm going to convert temperature in Fahrenheit. So this will be our Fahrenheit item. And this will be C underscore item, our Celsius temperature in Celsius. So we are going to use this formula to convert it. 9.0 divided by 5.0, then add 32.0 or 32.0, and now I'm going to add this Fahrenheit value to the Fahrenheit list. List append and pass in the value of temperature in Fahrenheit. So this way we will keep converting our temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit and add to the list. And now we can print the values. First I'm going to print the values of temperature in Celsius. Print temperature in Celsius. And we can just print the Celsius list. C underscore list. And then I'm just gonna copy these two lines and modify it for Fahrenheit temperature. And now this will become Fahrenheit. It's gonna be and over here we are going to pass in our Fahrenheit list and just save our script and run. There is a column missing over here in for statement. And here is our output, temperature in Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.